Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can sort files and folders by size inside your Google Drive account. So let us get started. Head over to Google Drive. And let's say, for example, I would like to sort files and folders by size here in my drive. So as you can see here to the right, the file size, these files are not sorted by file size, unfortunately, and there's no way how we can sort them by file size here. If I click on file size, nothing happens. But there's a simple trick you may apply here, guys. What you want to do is head over to the storage folder here at the bottom of that left panel, just like that. And here inside your storage overview, you will see a list of all files and folders that are currently stored in your Google Drive account. And here to the right, as you can see, sorted by file size, starting with the largest file at the top and then going down to the smallest file here at the bottom. And that's it, guys. That's how we do it. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.